welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. Before I get started, I just want to remind you to subscribe and hit that bell, and then you'll get a notification every time I post a new wig related video. So I'm bringing you a review today for pinkypromise.com. Another reminder is that you can get a 30% off code when you sign up to get their emails at pinkypromise.com. So go and sign up for those emails. Okay, y'all. I'm obsessed with this hair. I'm so excited to tell y'all about this one. This is ECLAT by Wille, and the color on this one is Sandy Blonde Rooted. And this hair makes me feel fabulous. I'm not even gonna lie. I can't wait to tell you more about her in just a minute. Okay, woo, I am loving this girl. I'm so excited about this. I'm like, oh my goodness. I did not think I could wear a full blonde like this. Now it is rooted, which is really nice, so the eyebrows don't, stick out too much. So I love it. I love it. I've wanted to try this color. I had this feeling like maybe it would work for me, but whoa, I am loving it. And with these gorgeous waves and curls that are in this piece, this is just a gorgeous color on this piece. So let me tell you about ECLAT. So ECLAT is part of the Hair Society Part of Me collection. She is a lace front monotop, hand tied. She has some closed wefting in the back. Very comfortable luxury cap. So this is the cream of the crop as far as, luxury and just beauty from Wille. So I'm so excited that I get to try her out and show her to you all. So let me do a turn and I'll show her on all sides, and then we'll get into all of her measurements and stuff. So the front, this is my right side. The back, my left, and then back to the front. So you'll notice in the back, I have not combed through these curls. I like for you to see what she looks like straight out of the box. And I don't know that I would comb through these curls. I really like how they have those spirals in the back. I think they just look so pretty and feminine. And I love the volume of the piece. It's just really pretty. And the volume is coming from the waves. There's no permatease because this is, mostly a hand-tied piece. So she is just absolutely lovely. I'm just, whoo! I put her on and she just blew my mind. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so measurements on her. Her bang is 4.5 inches. Get this layer. So here's the bang, which is nice. You have a little bit of forehead coverage there, and I like the way the bangs are sitting, they're sitting kind of high, so they're not right on my forehead and they're not getting in my eyes, which is nice because I have a 4-inch forehead. So, if they were right up against my right flat up against my forehead, they would be getting in my eyes. But so you can get, more forehead coverage with that if you want to. I just like them side swept. That's how I prefer to wear a bang. She has 9.25 inch sides and a 9.25 inch back. She is 10 inches from the crown, and her nape is 9 inches long. So nice length. This is a beautiful, beautiful piece. Great, very wearable length. This would be a beautiful everyday piece. All right, we can look at her gorgeous lace front. So pretty. Very nice, very light knotting. Looks very natural. Like I said, this is definitely a luxurious wig. And here is her mono part. So she came to me parted on the left. So I just left her that way. But she is, you could part her in the middle. You could part her on the right if you wanted to. Very nice. I have good coverage around my face. This is a petite average cap, and it is fitting me very much petite average. There's a little bit of room to go up, from my petite circumference, which is 21 inches, but I don't think she would go up, too far past average, so. But great coverage. Cap is super, super comfortable. So these are heat-friendly synthetic fibers, by the way, so just so that you are aware of that. Okay, I will pop her off and we can look at the inside of her cap. Interior cap construction for Wille ECLAT. So here you have that extended lace front, very, very nice. Full monotop. So you've got that part that's gonna go all the way back to the crown. You've got soft, felt moleskin covered ear tabs with a nice piece of metal. They're staying in place beautifully. You have an extended nape, also covered in the soft felt, Velcro adjusters. So here is where you have the hand-tied portion of the cap. This is all hand-tied. And then you have some closed wefting back here, which they just do that because it helps the hair lay right in the back. But very, very soft, lovely cap. Up against my scalp, it feels so good. So here, I'll show you that. There's that parting. The rooting on this is beautiful. There's that lace front. The lace front is going like halfway down the ear tab. So nice. Really, really pretty. All right, let's talk about this beautiful color, Sandy Blonde Rooted. So codes for this color are 16, 25, 26. The description of it is a medium honey blonde, light ash blonde, and lightest reddish brown blend with dark roots. So you can definitely see those two blondes, the ash and the medium. I think it makes this color, in my opinion, a neutral blonde because you have some warmth and you have some coolness in there, which is nice. So I think it would work if you have a warm skin tone. I tend to look better in the warmer colors. Some of the cool colors I can wear, but beautiful color placement with that light, ashy, almost platinum blonde, right around the face. And then you've got that beautiful honey blonde running through there. And that light reddish brown, which is blended with those blondes, so it doesn't look like a brunette. And then you've got this, that darker rooting. It's gorgeous with these curls. Such a beautiful color. Okay, let's take Sandy Blonde Rooted outside and we will look at this color in the natural light. Sandy Blonde Rooted, out here in the natural light on Ellen Villa ECLAT. Gorgeous. And with this hand-tie cap, you're gonna have the appearance of scalp no matter where you separate those hairs. Gorgeous. Okay, such a beautiful, beautiful color. All right, let's look at some styling options and glasses with ECLAT. So, she is ear tuckable, although these waves and curls are kind of a lot to put behind your ears. So I just like to let you know that, because they are such big, spirally curls, they're a little hard to get behind the ears, but not terrible. She is low density. She just has a lot of waves, in her. So, but glasses are not a problem. Really easy. They can go up on your head. I would put the hair behind my ears, to be able to put them up on top of my head, like for my sunglasses or whatever. But you could also, of course, just stick them right in the hair too. No problem. So, all right, so styling wise, she's gonna be pretty with in so many ways. So, could put a headband in her. She looks really cute like that. Oh gosh, I'm just obsessed, y'all. She's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Pretty if you just stick the headband in. This looks really cute like that. And then of course, all of your little cute clips and cute little bobby pin type things. You could dress her up. Oops, excuse me, dropped it. Dress her up with those kind of things. Put a cute clip in the side. She does have enough length for you to pull her back. I just don't want to mess up her curls. But you can pull her back and clip her with a claw clip. think I would just kind of let some of these, the bang and some of these little pretties fall down. Ooh, look at that. That is gorgeous. So pretty. So let's see about length for like a pony or an updo. She probably has the length. Her nape is 9.25, so yeah. You could do, she does have an extended nape, of course, so, you know, you could do a little tiny pony. You could do her in a twist, would probably look cuter. And then again, you know, bring down these pretty layers around your face. That looks really cute. Very pretty. Just, you know, clip her up with a pretty clip. That looks cute. Ah, gosh. She's got a lot of possibilities, y'all. And then this gorgeous lace front, you know, you can always just clip her off your face if you want to. You know, clip those bangs back all the way. Look at that lace front. It's fabulous. So pretty. Gosh. Oh, goodness, y'all. I just can't get over it. She's so pretty. So anyway, all right, I'll get over myself here. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review. Don't forget to go to their website and sign up to get their emails to get that 30% off discount. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.